Cowrywise versus traditional banking savings account. Bank savings account, you're literally losing money. Here is 2025 proof. Let's be real. Most bank servicing accounts or savings accounts offer interest rates that don't beat inflation, so your money shrinks. But use Cowrywise and you get interest rates that are better. You see, traditional banks give approximately 1 to 4% per annum interest rates, while Cowrywise savings plans give you up to 15% and above interest rates per year, but it varies by plan and period. Cowrywise wealth plans, market-linked returns with potential for even higher growth if you use it. Then, banks often have penalties for frequent withdrawals, while Cowrywise offers flexible savings plans you can break anytime and target plans with better rates for staying committed. Lastly, banks have outdated apps that confuse people with their confusing fees. While Cowrywise app is intuitive, goal-oriented, and designed for behavioral nudges that help you save more. So, it's not just about saving, it's about your money working for you. Why let it sleep in the bank when it can grow on Cowrywise? Do the math, make the switch, subscribe for more blunt financial truths. See you in the next one.